Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Dad. Morning.
Sleep well? Yes, I think so.
I had a nice dream.
Eat your food. Big day today.
Oh no. I broke it. This is bad. Very bad. Dad will be upset. What do I do?
Max, what happened here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I did not do it.
Max, are you sure?
Yes,
You look strange.
I am fine. Why did I say that? It was just one lie. My chest feels tight. I do not like this.
Max, can we talk?
Okay.
About the frame, are you sure you did not see anything?
Yes, I am sure.
Think carefully, Max.
I am telling the truth.
How was your day?
It was okay.
Fine.
Max is very quiet today.
I am just tired.
Max, tell me the truth.
I told the truth.
No, you didn't. I can see it.
Please stop. I cannot fix this. The lie is too big now. I am scared. What if Dad finds out? What will happen?
This broke recently. The glass is still fresh. Something is not right. Max is hiding something.
Max, come here, please. We need to talk again, just for a moment.
Max, I found this. Are you still sure?
Yes, I am sure.
You did not break it?
No, not me.
I cannot keep this. It feels too heavy. I want to tell the truth, but I am scared. What should I do?
Max, it is okay. You can tell the truth.
I am scared.
I know, but lies feel worse.
I cannot do this. I feel so bad. I want it to stop. I must tell him. I must.
Dad, I need to tell you something. I broke the frame.
I see.
I was scared, so I lied. I am sorry.
Thank you for telling me. I am not angry.
Really?
I am glad you told the truth. That is very important. Mistakes happen, Max, but lies make things worse.
I understand.
Truth can be hard, but it brings peace.
I feel better now.
I am proud of you, Max. Thank you. I will tell the truth next time.
That is all I ask.
I feel happy again.